Let's ask Tasleem Ahmad Rahmani, National Secretary of the SDPI. So where do you stand? Namaste.
Namaste, Kumar. You see, I stand that national security issues, whatever it is, be it the terrorism or anything else, whereas the national security issues are concerned, nobody belonging to the opposition, civil society or the ruling class, nobody must do politics on those issues. And if anybody does that, that's a very clearly that will mean that either we are not serious about combating terrorism or we want to take power into our hands utilizing terrorism as a commodity. So it's a shameful act whosoever does it. At the same time, I want to say that whatever Mr. Jain has said, at one hand, the culprits, whether the lack of evidence or whatever the police investigation has done, are when they are fallen in the court, we see that it is an attempt to protect actual culprits of those crimes committed, whether it is the Bakka Masjid blast or the Malegaon blast or the Ajmer blast or the Delhi blast or the whatever has done. When we don't arrest the real culprits and the arrested persons are 15, 20 years later when they are acquitted by the court, that doesn't that very clearly means that we have tried to hide some of the real culprits. That's the real crux. It's a very serious issue that the real culprits are gone.
So in this case, are you trying to say again in this case, which the 6 people have been arrested, they are also not the real culprits?
No, I want to raise I want to raise a different question.
Now, are you trying to say that there is no radicalization that is happening? There is no Daesh-inspired literature and Daesh-inspired sermons that are being given in our country today? That there are not mosques and there are not individuals and entities who are trying to radicalize people in the name of a particular religion against a society, against a country? Are you trying to say that is not true in our country, Tasleem Ahmad Rahmani? Are you trying to say that not a single Indian has actually flown to Afghanistan and gone into Syria to fight with the Daesh? With the dream of an Islamic caliphate and an Islamist bent?
I don't agree. I don't agree. First of all,
yes, Prem Kishan Jain ji.
First of all, I'm talking about domestic terrorism.
First of all, I am glad that Mr. Rahmani has mentioned Malegaon.
Sir, I'll come back to you, Rahmani sahab. He just wanted to make a point. Yeah, then I'll come back to you, Rahmani sahab. Yes, Prem Kishan Jain ji.
Rahmani sahab, please listen to me. I am glad that you mentioned Malegaon. I was Inspector General of Police, Nasik Range at the time when Malegaon blast took place. Right from day one, 2 hours or 3 hours after the blast took place, I was in Malegaon. I camped there for 1.5 months. Let me tell you in all sincerity, when we caught the accused, we were under tremendous pressure from the then government and the Home Minister not to declare their names. It took us almost 2 weeks before we actually announced their names after they had been caught. And reasonably, there was a reasonable belief and evidence against them. I stand by my words that whatever we investigated, subsequently the investigation was taken over by the ATS and it was subsequently handed over to another agency. Till the end, the same accused were proved to be involved in the offence. It was only subsequently when the second blast took place and Sadhvi Pragya and company got caught that the first blast was also pinned onto them. They were not the accused. I stand by my words and I stand by whatever evidence we had at that point of time that the accused were caught by us, were true accused, and lot of information had been collected, lot of scientific and technical evidence had been collected. But the government did not want to prosecute them, and when this narrative of the Hindu fundamentalism or Hindu terrorists was coined, this term was coined by the then government and the Home Minister, unfortunately. After that, the first blast was also pinned onto them. They were not the accused in the first case. I can dare say that.
So now the fact is, sir.
So you out of court.
There is a
deliberate. You are giving a clean sheet to
neither the first set of accused got convicted.
Out of court, you are giving.
No.
Subsequently,
sir,
you are giving.
Now this is how you are twisting the entire story. There were 2 blasts in Malegaon. Sir, there were 2 blasts in Malegaon. The first blast, that's what Prem Kishan Jain is saying.
what
The
about
first blast,
Bakkabasti?
the accused
Sir, I said,
were,
what
sir,
about
the government of the
Bakkabasti
day
blast?
tried to protect the accused.
Then what
The
about-
government
tell
of the
me,
day,
tell
the
me,
government
what
of the
about
day did not
Bakkabasti
want them
blast?
prosecuted.
What about the Ajmer
What
blast?
I am trying to ask you, Tasneem
What about-
Rahmani,
what
it's
about
not
Ajmer
about what
blast?
happened in Malegaon. I am
I'm
asking you,
asking
I am
you.
asking you, are these six
Malegaon.
people who have been nabbed, who are originating from different cities of our country, who have no connection with each other whatsoever except for the intent to try and conduct orchestrate terror attacks in our country? Are you trying to say these are a figment of somebody's imagination? This is done to try and deliberately malign one particular community. Or will you turn around and say, why are these people ready to take the lives of their own?
Will you allow me to speak, or only you will speak?
Go ahead, sir.
That's where I want to complete this sentence in my previous statement. I wanted to say that this was a central agency's input provided to the Delhi police, and whereas the 3 states were involved, Delhi, UP and Maharashtra. Why the central agency did not provide this input to the Maharashtra police and the UP police and the Delhi police separately? Why the Delhi police, which is a tainted police, the police which is fined by various courts, the police which has been named by various courts from lower court to the high court to
क्या
the
कह रहे
Supreme Court.
हैं
Why
क्या
such
कह
a
रहे हैं
police
क्या
has
कह
been
रहे
made?
हैं अब तो
The
जिसको भी you
nodal
want to taint
agency-
anybody and no,
मैं
this is
ये
what
कह
you
रहा
are
हूँ
doing,
कि
Tasneem
central
Rahmani. On
government
the
के
one
अंदर
hand you
में
turn around
एक
and say I condemn any act of
tainted
terror or
police
act against the
को
country and issue of
model-
national
एक
security, and then
model
you want to
agency क्यों
taint
बनाया
everybody
है?
in uniform. You have just in one stroke painted Delhi police, especially
मैं खुद से तो नहीं कह
when
रहा.
it is a former commissioner
not
of the
me.
Mumbai police
It's a-
who's on
it's
the
a-
run.
it's a
Now the
various
other
courts
aspect,
of law.
sir, please don't
it's
try
the
and
various
try and
courts of
diffuse
law,
the
not
facts.
me.
The Maharashtra
मैं नहीं
ATS
बोल
is
रहा.
in the national capital.
कोर्ट
The
ने-
UP
कोर्ट ने
ATS has said
जुर्माना
that
किया,
they
मैंने
worked
नहीं
in
किया.
conjunction with the Delhi
कोर्ट
Special
ने- हाई
Cell.
कोर्ट ने
Don't
25,000
try
रुपए
and
जिस पुलिस पे जुर्माना
deliberately
किया है, उसको
convolute
नोडल एजेंसी
and
बनाया जा
confuse
रहा
and
है.
conflate
तो-
issue. The other thing, Tasneem Rahmani, my point is,
why Maharashtra police has not been taken
are you
into
going to allow
confidence?
6
And why
radicals
UP
to
police has
represent
not been taken
30
into
crore
confidence?
Muslims in our
Why
country,
the Delhi
or are
police
you
has
going
been
to turn
taken
around and say
into
these radicals are not something that Islam and India represents? These radicals are not what the way of India, what the way of any Indian is. What is the position you should say?
Sadhvi Pragya doesn't belong to the Sanatan Dharmi Hinduism.
You know, they want to believe
In
this
India, she
complete
does not
bunkum.
represent the Hinduism
You know, when
as well.
Saraskar
The
counted.
Hindutva terror.
No, see, this is what I'm trying to tell you.
No,
This
No,
what
there
I'm
is
trying-
nothing like that.
No,
No,
one minute.
Muslim Rahmani, this is
Shazia Almi,
this
let me ask you this.
conspiracy.
Shazia
You want to
Almi, let me
justify.
ask you this.
You want to
The way
justify
he is saying
that
Hindutva
terrorism
terror,
has
will
a
you say
religious
this is Muslim terror?
I say
Yeah,
that
Mr. Rahmani, I'm asking you, Mr. Rahmani. I have till
religious.
date
Yes.
called terrorist
Yes,
terrorist.
there is a Muslim
Anybody and
terrorism.
everybody calls a
Yes.
terrorist a terrorist. But you
No,
did not bat an
terrorism
eyelid
has
to
a
turn around
religious
and say
root.
Hindutva
Always,
terrorists. But did you
everywhere,
once call them Muslim
everywhere,
terrorists?
terrorism-
Did you once call
terrorism
this
has a
word
religious
Muslim
root.
But
terrorist,
let me
sir?
come in, please. I want to say something.
Look at your
Terrorism has a
own colored
religious
vision.
root.
You know,
It's
Look
I-
at your
terrorism.
own colored
It's
vision,
Hindu
sir.
terror, Hindutva
Look at your own
terrorism.
colored vision,
It's
Mr.
a
Rahmani.
terrorism.
You
It's
need
a
to
Buddhist
rethink your
terrorism.
priorities,
And I
sir.
can
You know,
You have
Anand,
such a
I would
bigoted
request
mindset
you,
in your head.
to
You are
allow
the
me
one who is wanting
because
to
I can
paint
prove
communities with
I
terrorism.
can
They
prove
have
every
logic.
terrorism.
Nobody
You know,
else is.
since-
It is a
It is-
sad
it is-
statement
You know,
that
since
you
the
are
partition,
sitting here
the two
as
exists
somebody
really.
who wants to be in
It is
public
just
office
what
and
they
in
have
public
been
life,
doing.
Mr. Rahmani.
I want to just
It
come
is
in,
very
please.
unfortunate.
Every religion
Shazia
has a
Almi.
terrorism.
Shazia Almi.